Ralson RMR61 radial tyre. A multi-position tyre for regional and urban applications. Be it braking power, driving control, comfort or endurance, Ralson RMR61 comes off with flying colours. Its integrated functional and optical sipes extend tread life, ensure even wear. Its balanced rib ratio leads to higher mileage. A wider shoulder rib improves tread and casing life. Stone ejectors in tread grooves reduce damage from stones. Low downtime, on-time delivery, low operating cost. Ralson RMR61 radial tyre helps achieve all.